Hey guys, this is Tamil. Today I am going to show how to install Windows 10 file creator update. So first you have to make a bootable pen drive. If you don't know how to do it, you can see another video given in the description below. So I am going to start with booting. So I'm having HP laptop. So it has a, we have to enter the BIOS setup. For HP, I'm going to show you how to do it. So press escape button while turning on. It shows F9 is the boot device option. So enter into it. Then it shows bootable options. So first is Windows boot. I already have installed the Windows 10. So it's showing it, and then I have Ubuntu. So but I'm going to show you how to install from the pen drive. So I have a SanDisk. Okay, next we have to give next, install now. So I don't have product key. It has different kind of option. We are going for Windows 10 Pro. Other might need product key, so I am going for Pro. So custom install. So this is the partition already created in the system. So you can make your own partition by yourself by unallocating and reallocating this partition. So I have allocated 200 GB for the Windows. So I am entering into it.